Good morning, students. I am going to continue exercise 3.3 in understanding quadrilateral, and question number 6 is two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Find the measure of each of the angles of a parallelogram. In this question, you have given the two adjacent angles of a parallelogram whose measurements are equal, and you find out the measure of each of the angles of a parallelogram. For this question, you write down, let the adjacent angle of equal measure of a parallelogram be x. By the property of parallelogram, we are able to write the sum of adjacent angle of parallelogram is 180 degree. This means x plus x is equal to 180 degree. This means 2x is equal to 180 degree. Then x is equal to 180 degree upon 2, that is 90 degree. Means the measurement of each angle of a parallelogram is equal to x is equal to 90 degree. Means each angle of parallelogram is 90 degree. It is your answer. Then question number 7. The adjacent figure HOPE, here is given HOPE, is a parallelogram. Find the angle measures x, y and z. State the properties you use to find them. This means you find out the value of x, y, z by using the property, and you also write the property by which you find out x, y and z respectively. Question number 7. Question number 7. Figure is here. HOPE. Hope here is 70 degree, and here is z, here is y, and here is x. You find out the value of x, y, z from the given information. Here is 40 degree. Okay, just you write down. First of all, you find x. Then in this parallelogram HOPE, 'O' and 'E' are the opposite angles. measures are equal by the property of parallelogram. This means first of all you find out angle O here, HOP. Angle HOP plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree in the bracket adjacent linear pair angle. Linear pair angle by the property of linear pair angle, because here is a straight line formed by two angles HOP and PO means 70 degree. What is name? Here is not given any name. Therefore, this angle plus this angle make a straight line. This means this is a linear pair angle. And angle HOP is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree, that is 110 degree. Angle HOP is 110 degree. This means X is opposite to this, therefore X is equal to angle HOP, opposite angle of parallelogram. Then X is equal to HOP is 110 degree. This means value of X is 110 degree. X is equal to 110 degree. Then you find Y. Here is Y and here is 40 degree. This means this is alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Okay? Alternate interior angle because these are two parallel lines and this is transversal. Therefore, this is alternate interior angle. You write down Y is equal to 40 degree by the property alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. And then you find out Z. You write down Z plus 40 degree is equal to 70 degree. Corresponding angle. These are parallel lines and this is transversal. Therefore, this whole angle is corresponding to this. You write down corresponding angle by the property of corresponding angle. Z is equal to 70 degree minus 40 degree. Z is equal to 30 degree. This is the value of Z and this is the value of Y. You get X, Y, Z. Okay? And next question is question number 8. The following figures, guns and runs are parallelogram. Find X and Y length are in the centimeter. Okay. Question number 8. the following figures. You find out x and y. Here is figure of a parallelogram. Guns. G U N S. Here is 3x and here is 18. Here is 26 and here is 3y minus 1. 3y minus 1. You find out the value of x and y. You know that in the parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. By this property, you write down 3x is equal to 18. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Then x is equal to 18 upon 3. 3 1 ja, 3 6 ja, means x is equal to 6 centimeter. It is your answer. And from here you write down 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. 3y is equal to 26 plus 1. 3y is equal to 27. Then y is equal to 27 upon 3. 3 9. This means y is equal to 9 centimeters. Clear? Like this, you also find out the value of xy in figure second, because the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. When you compare y plus 7 is equal to 20, you get y is equal to 13, and when you put y value in x plus y is equal to 16, you get value of x. Okay.